Make sure your printer is powered on and in a ready state. Connect your network cable with printer. Seam Wi-Fi your computer. Open a web browser and type HP LaserJet Pro CP1525nw printer driver and press enter or click on the search icon. From the search results, go to the website, click on the exact printer model that matches yours. Make sure to select the correct operating system, e.g. Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, and version. Look for the network Wi-Fi driver and click on the download button. Once the driver file is downloaded, locate it in your computer's downloads folder or the location you specified. Double-click on the driver file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. During installation, you may be prompted to choose a connection type. Select USB or network as your connection type. The installer will search for available printers on your network. When it detects your HP LaserJet Pro CP1525nw color printer, select it from the list and continue with the installation process. Your HP LaserJet Pro CP1525nw color printer should be successfully connected to your Windows computer via Wi-Fi network.